Ever wonder how some TikTok shop users know exactly what's going to blow up before anybody else? Like they're always ahead of the trend, posting the perfect winning product and ranking in sales while the rest of us guess. Hello, my name is Jessica. Well, today I'm going to show you the tool that gives them that unfair advantage. It is called CaloData. And if you've ever wanted to sell more, grow faster, or earn a recurring income, you're about to get the full blueprint. Let's dive in. So, what is CaloData? Think of it as the Google Analytics of TikTok Shop, but 100 times easier. CaloData gives you access to over 250 million creator profiles, over 200 million products and shop data points, more than 1,000 days of TikTok historical data. And so today, I'm sharing with you how the platform helps you grow as a TikTok seller or creator using real data instead of guesswork, and how it finds trends and uncovers insights. Imagine, it even helps you earn recurring income through its affiliate program. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Sounds good? Let's jump right in. Instead of spending hours scrolling through TikTok or trying to guess what might sell next, CaloData gives you clear, actionable data that shows what's working and why. You can track market trends, discover higher-performing products, and analyze creators' results all in one place. Folks, in short, it turns product research from a guessing game into a data-driven process, helping you make smarter, faster, and more confident business decisions to take your TikTok business to next level. The link is in description and pinned comments. See you in the next video.